guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily Love. I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger, and here on my channel I do a lot of styling videos and try on hauls. So if you like those kind of videos, make sure you subscribe because this is definitely the channel for you. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, you should go ahead and do that. My name is Emily Love on all platforms. I also run an online boutique called Emily Love, so definitely check it out. I'm going to put all of my info in the description. But today's video is not a styling video, it's a haul, but not clothes. I have lots of great items that I've purchased over on Amazon that I absolutely love, that I think are great. I want to share with you all. The styling video is going to be back probably on Wednesday or Thursday, depending on when this video go up. I've already filmed that. It's coming. It's a good one. So stay tuned for that. But I have lots of great items that I bought on Amazon. I am an Amazon Prime member. This video is not sponsored. A lot of items that I've purchased over the year and I just love and I found very helpful that I want to share with you all. One of the first items is this desk that I'm sitting on. My computer desk is from Amazon. Love it. One of my best purchases. So if you'd like to see the rest of the video, let's get right into it. All right, guys. So we're going to be all over the place today with this video. Just bear with me because I have a bunch of stuff here in my office, in my kitchen, in my son's bedroom. So we're just going to be moving around. It's going to be like a tour, but not really a tour because I'm just going to be showing you parts of the house and pieces that I bought from Amazon. My pajamas that I'm wearing is from Amazon. I'm going to get up and show you guys my full outfit in the mirror. And then into the rest of the other items, but I'm gonna grab my phone off of the tripod and then I'll show you guys the desk, and then the tripod that my phone is and my ring light is also from Amazon, so I'm gonna show you guys that. So let me go ahead and grab the phone, show you guys my outfit, show you the desk, and then we'll get into the rest of the stuff. I'm excited. All right, guys, so this is one of my favorite Amazon purchase, and this is my computer desk. I was looking for something really big that I can fit my desktop on and also put my laptops and still have my books on there and have enough space to sit. And then I also wanted something where I was going to have some space to fold clothes because, as you guys know, I have an online boutique and I packaged orders in here, so I like to sit at the desk and fold clothes and put them in the plastic. I went to IKEA. All of the desks were sold out, and I saw this one on Amazon, and it was perfect. It's white, and then it has the gold finish at the bottom. I like it a lot. It is a great size desk. Very easy to assemble. I didn't have any issue with it. And then this mouse pad here is also from Amazon. Love this. I think it's so cute. Don't remember how much it was. And then I'm not even sure what this is, but this is also from Amazon. I just bought it because I thought it was cute. It was gold. It's gold, so figure it go perfectly into the office. It goes perfect into the office, and then I just have highlighters here. I keep my scissors, and then I keep not so cute pens in there. So this is also from Amazon. It has a drawer. I just put random stuff in there. It's a mess. And then I got this pen holder also from Amazon. It's gold. I just thought it was cute, and I can put all my pretty pens in here. I like that a lot, and I absolutely love my desk. It is just the right size, exactly what I was looking for. And then it comes with this little white, I'm not even sure what this is. I don't know what this is used for, but it comes with the desk as well. Like it a lot. Now we're gonna move over here to this side of the room. Oh, let me grab my tripod. This white little rack over here that have all this clothes on it is also from Amazon. I like it because it's small enough where I can use it when I'm shooting YouTube video. This is all the stuff from the haul that I just shot that's gonna be up soon, so I can put it right there, and I usually just stand right in that corner and then I shoot my YouTube video. I love the rack. It is small. If you're looking for something small and white, then this is definitely a good size. And then they have like layers on the bottoms where you could put shoes. But they also have like a really cute gold and white rack that's much bigger that I think I'm going to get. But I'm still going to keep this one because I like the size. It is not too bad. And then let me show you guys my outfit. Okay, so these boots are going to be in my next haul video that's going up. These are from Amazon. These are from Amazon. They are by Chinese Laundry, and I got them about a week ago. A week or almost 2 weeks. I love them. They are so cute. They fit amazing. They're going to be in the haul video that's going up next, so look out for that. Love it. But I'm going to link it in case you want to get first dibs on that. You guys all know my Pampas Grass. A lot of you bought it. A lot of you love it. It's very messy, but I like it a lot. Let's see what else we got. Hey guys, so this is my outfit. I got this pajama set from Amazon. For some reason, I have like a slight obsession with pajamas these days. They're super comfy. They are so cute. I think I saw something similar at Nordstrom, and I was thinking about getting it, but I said, let me test out these Amazon ones. They come with the drawer screen here. They are adjustable. You can pull them in, and I usually just half tuck, and then the sleeves are long. Let me see if I can pull my sleeves down. All right, this is how the sleeves come. This is an extra small, and then I usually just roll it up. I like this pajama set a lot. It's cute. It is comfortable. It's plain black, just what I like. Great for working from home. And these slippers were gifted to me. One of my girlfriend got married, a bridesmaid, and she gifted these to me. But I think it's time that I invest in some new house slippers. But yeah, super comfortable pajamas. I like that they have the white finish. And then I just like to like half tuck, so you can see the white part. But that is so cute. Love it. Like I said, great for working from home. We're gonna move around. Let me show you guys something else. I bought this wallet. This is just my AirPods hanging on there. But I bought this wallet on Amazon because I saw that one of my girlfriend has something like this that's pink. It's not really a wallet. It's a car holder. And this has changed my life because I have a lot of cars and I'm always looking for them. But since I got them, I love them. It's so small. I don't even know how much it was. And I just have my AirPod hooked onto it. I'm going to open it and show you guys what it looks like inside. But it's just super plain, simple. I could just throw it in my bag when I'm going anywhere. And I love it. I want to get something to put here. Maybe like a photo of Ethan. But let me open it and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. This is what it looks like on the inside. You can open it wide. I have my driver's license. I have a few cards in there and credit cards. So it's super convenient. I don't have to keep looking, trying to figure out where all my cards are. They are right in there. Love this. And I think this was like 14 bucks. I don't remember. And I believe it comes in different colors, but I like the black because it goes with just about everything. This is my ring light. This ring light is from Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I'm going to link it. But I think it was like 100 or 150. So I use this ring light. This is what it looks like. And then in front of it, I have this tripod that I absolutely love. You can fold this and make it small. And then it comes with a remote, and this is a Bluetooth remote. I can use this to take pictures of myself. I just connect the tripod to my phone, and then I can take selfies of myself. Or before, I used to go out in the streets and take photo of myself. I still do that. I love the tripod because this is small and portable. You can fold it all the way down, and then you just have your remote. You could charge this remote. I think this tripod was like 25 bucks. I like it a lot. I have two. I keep it here because sometimes I use one in my car. I keep one in my car, and then I keep this one here in my office that I use. So I just turn on the ring light, and then I pop my phone right up on the tripod, and this is how I shoot my YouTube video. So those two items are from Amazon. I'm going to plug the light back in, and then we're going to move over to that side of the room. The rack I have from Amazon is this really big rack. This is what I use for my boutique. This top is actually from Amazon. So cute. I think I bought this in the spring and I don't wear it anymore. But love this rack. It's super huge. I use this for my boutique stuff. When I do pop-ups, I'm like falling over everything. I love this rack. It's big. I use it for my boutique when I do like pop-up shops, or if I have stuff here that just need to be organized, or if I have a shoot that I need to do, I'll put stuff out here that needs to be shot. I like that it has the long part and then it has the short part. But like I said, there's a really cute one that's gold and white that I really want. It's about $179. I will link it if you guys want to check that out. I'm still thinking if I want to buy it or not. But I like this big rack for that purpose. And then I have the small one back there that I use for YouTube videos and stuff. So let's move into my kitchen. Let me show you guys what else I got from Amazon. Black velvet hangers that I use them for my boutique stuff, and then I also use them in my closet. These are from Amazon, and this is the smaller one. You'll see it, you guys will see it once we go up to my sunroom. I use this in his closet. I like them a lot because they hold the clothes on there and they don't fall off, and I just like the way they look nice and cohesive. I don't like a lot of messy hangers. So yeah, these are great. I got a whole pack from Amazon for myself, and then I got a whole pack for Ethan's bedroom. The item I got from Amazon is this little portable steamer. I love this because they're great for steaming my son's clothes. They're good for steaming my clothes. Just like it's small and handy when I just want to do something quick. And then I have this big one that I also got from Amazon. This is good for you if you sell clothes, or if you have a boutique, or if you're just somebody that want a really big steamer. But I love this big one. I use it specifically for my boutique, but sometimes I use it on my own clothes as well. It is a great steamer. I had it for about 2 years now, and I like it a lot. It comes with this hanger thing where you can just hang the clothes here and steam it. It does leak sometimes, water come out of it, but besides that, it works great and I have no issue with it. If you're wondering, my chair is from Home Goods. It was gifted to me by my girlfriend Vivian, and that pillow I believe is from TJ Maxx. But yeah, I love this portable steamer. Great if you don't like to iron. If you're like myself, definitely recommend that. Another item that I recently picked up from Amazon is this laundry bag. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I like it because they have the handle. You could just grab it and go. And I usually just like, whenever I have stuff here in the in my office that I use for photo shoot that needs to be washed, I throw everything into that little laundry basket and I just set it off into the corner over there somewhere. So this is really cute. It's super handy. I believe it comes in a bunch of different colors, and I like the handle over here is just great for laundry. All right, moving on to the kitchen. The item that I have from Amazon that I love, don't judge me because it's dirty, it needs to be clean, is this stainless steel trash can. It doesn't belong here. It usually sits by the refrigerator, but I wanted to show it to you guys, so I moved it over here. What I like about it is the fact that it have a bin for recycle, and then it have one for trash. I'm not gonna open it because there's trash in there. I like it a lot. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but it's not. But it's a great little size, I guess. And it is so cute. And I like the fact that it has the trash and then it has the recycle, which is great. And it has a thing that you just step on and you open, and that's the recycle side. And then this is the trash side. And this is the side for the trash. My issue with this is that I have to take my trash out at the end of every day because it usually gets full pretty quickly. So yeah, love that. We'll move over to the counter and I'll show you guys what I have on the counter. My house in order. I am putting my kitchen counter together, and I ordered this bread bin from Amazon. I love it. It's so cute. I have bread in there, and I like the fact that it goes well with my counter space, and it goes well with the backsplash. And then I also got these fake lemons that just came today in the mail. Because I'm so silly, I didn't know you're supposed to use fake lemons, and last time I had real lemons in here and they went bad. So I ordered these fake lemon off for Amazon and I like them a lot. And then you guys saw me unbox this. It said, give me some sugar, but first coffee. And this one said, all you need is tea. And then I just order a fruit basket that's gonna go over in this space. And then I'm probably gonna remove all this stuff from here because I'm trying to just get this space in order. But I like the bread bin a lot, and then I like these. And they didn't come together, but they match. They look like they did, but they didn't, which I like. Now let's move on to my bathroom. So we're moving on to my powder room, and I just did this over the weekend because it just needed a little bit of a facelift. And I want to show you guys this paper towel holder that I picked up from Amazon. I'm really excited about this paper towel holder because I just wanted something where you can put paper towels on, and then on the top I can put some hand cream, my face wash, and maybe a hand soap. I still need to pick some stuff up, but I love that. I think that it is great. And I pick up these wall painting from Ross. They were like $10 a piece. And then I got that flower, the orchid from Ross as well. But what I really want to show you guys is this tissue holder that I also picked up from Amazon. I don't know why I'm excited about this, but I saw it and I got it and I love it. So simple yet so cute. Right, so we're in Ethan's bedroom. And this little basket, I tell you, it was so cute. I use it to put his dirty clothes in there, but we might start putting toys in there. I like it a lot. It goes with his clothes. He just have one pair of dirty socks in there, and then I got that from Amazon. And then moving over here, we're still getting his closet done. As you guys can see, Still a lot of work that needs to be done on there. But these are the little velvet hangers that I got for his closet. I have his clothes hanging up. I have his clothes hanging up on some of them, and this is the rest that were left over, but I like them a lot. They have I think they come in different colors. I'm not sure. I like the black ones. And then I also got this bin from Amazon because I just like them. I can put like his socks and stuff in here. I have another one up top. Like I said, the closet is still being put together. And another great find we have from on Amazon that I just found for him are a pair of Uggs. I didn't even know Amazon had Uggs on there, but I found these and I thought they were just so cute. So I picked these up for Ethan. Love them. But yeah, I think that's all the stuff in his room. That's from Amazon. Yeah, I like these bins a lot. They have handles here that you could pull. Oh, and I also got this shirt from Amazon. I've been doing a lot of shopping on there. I picked up this shirt there for him. And then I just got him a new pajama set that I love. These are from Amazon. I think I'm gonna get more. They're so cute. Okay guys, so reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoy watching. I know it was super random and I was all over the place, but I just make a lot of purchases on Amazon and things that I love that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know if you like this video and what kind of videos you'd like to see from me. If you want to see more of like an organizer or home decor kind of videos, I can do that as well. But the styling and the whole video will be back probably on Wednesday or Thursday. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at EmilynLove and check out my boutique at EmilynLove.com. And I catch you guys in my next video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, okay? And subscribe. I'm trying to reach 10K. Help me get to 10K. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.